Hello! Today we're taking an in-depth look at Nebo, the professional note-taking app for iPad OS, Windows, Android, and Chrome OS. This video will introduce you to Nebo's main features and show how its powerful note-taking tools can become an indispensable part of your workflow. Here we see the main Nebo dashboard. This is where you store, organize, navigate, and search your notes. In Nebo, you create your notes on pages within notebooks, and there's no limit on the number of pages per notebook. You can add or delete pages from a Nebo notebook as needed. Each notebook has a title, color icon, and associated language. Nebo's accurate handwriting recognition engine currently recognizes 66 world languages and language variants. You can group notebooks together within collections, which Nebo sorts alphabetically. You can then extend or collapse your collections for more efficient navigation. Now let's open and view an existing page within a notebook. Here's a page containing an image and some text. The first thing to do is select an ink color and add some handwritten notes using an active pen. Nebo's world-leading handwriting recognition understands exactly what you write and can even show in real time what it will look like if and when it's converted to text. So how do you convert it? With a simple double tap. All text, handwritten, typed, or converted, can be formatted using paragraphs, headings, or subheadings. Nebo also automatically recognizes bulleted or numbered lists. Intuitive gestures and a clear, contemporary interface makes formatting your text a breeze. You can use a scratch-out gesture or the eraser tool to correct mistakes at any time, while text reflows automatically when you add or remove space with a stroke of your pen. You can also underline text or assign it a new color. Need to move a custom area of content, like a text block? Use Nebo's lasso tool to reposition content via simple drag and drop, or long press with 2 fingers to add or remove vertical spacing between blocks, within sections or within most objects. Nebo works amazingly well with an active pen, but you can also enter or edit notes using a keyboard. On iPad, using the digital keyboard, it's even possible to dictate notes directly onto the page. Nebo recognizes and treats handwriting, typed and dictated text in the same way. Nebo knows that sometimes your notes start with more than a blank page, which is why you can also insert content from external sources. You can copy-paste from other document types, such as PDF or Word doc, or import photographs. Nebo can also create what it calls objects to enhance its handling of specific types of content. A diagram object, for example, lets you draw diagrams by hand and then convert them to clean content with a double tap. Once created, you can move converted and hand-drawn elements around to test different configurations. You can even copy-paste diagrams directly into PowerPoint, where they'll remain editable. Using a math object, you can format mathematical calculations and let Nebo supply the correct answer. Answers can be truncated or rounded, and automatic solving can be turned off if you prefer. The math engine supports basic operations and operators including percentage, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Available functions include square root, powers and factorials, trigonometry, and more. Free-form pages can be added within any notebook as easily as adding a regular page. Once created, a free-form page provides a limitless, zoomable canvas that allows completely free-ranging writing or drawing by hand. This means you can draw ideas rather than writing them out in text, or even combine text and drawings in an organic, spontaneous way. You can pan and zoom the canvas exactly as you require, and it will expand to ensure you never run out of space. You can even insert horizontal space within your freeform content using a simple long press. You can easily select content using the lasso tool, resize it, or even copy it between other Nebo pages and sections, or other apps. If you select Copy As, your handwritten content can be defined as convertible text, diagram, or math. This is clever because it means your notes will automatically convert to typed text or perfect shapes when pasted into a regular Nebo page, or a third-party app like email, PowerPoint, or Task Manager. You can also add free-form sections inside a regular Nebo page, meaning you can enjoy the benefits of free-form note-taking anywhere within Nebo's note structure. For the first time, you can copy and paste between free-form pages and sections, so it's easy to reuse ideas generated in a free-form page within the more structured framework of Nebo's regular page. Suitable for fast-paced meetings, brainstorming sessions, or other spontaneous note-taking scenarios, Nebo's free-form pages and sections empower you to express yourself quickly and accurately without compromise. Professionals, students, and everyone in between can enhance their Nebo experience via tools that allow users to import, annotate, highlight, and share any PDF document. These features provide an efficient yet powerful method to mark up existing documents, make study notes, or provide annotated feedback directly to an existing PDF file. Importing a PDF into Nebo is as seamless as creating a new page. Open a notebook, and the Import PDF function allows users to select an existing PDF document from the local device or shared drives. Once imported, this document can then be annotated freely using the pen tool with adjustable ink, thickness, and color. The canvas can be zoomed in or out to make precise annotations with accuracy, even where space is limited, while the semi-transparent highlighter enables you to easily bring attention to both PDF content and annotations. Make a mistake? Any annotation can be quickly removed with just a single swipe of the eraser. PDFs can also be opened directly into Nebo from any third-party app on your device. Just open the file in Nebo and select the required notebook. The PDF is then automatically added to the notebook and presented for immediate annotation. Let's skip ahead and add some annotations, in this case adding notes to a study document. The document can be marked up using the pen tool in a variety of different colors, highlighted, and annotated endlessly to improve studying effectiveness. Once our annotations are made, the lasso tool can be used to select and move annotations in their entirety, or to select a specific portion to move and edit individually. Selections can also be copied and pasted, not only within the current PDF, but also pasted to any page within Nebo. When copied as text, annotations can then use the power of MyScript Interactive Ink for conversion into typed text with just a double tap. A powerful way to both input and retrieve data, annotations are automatically indexed to appear in global search. Never before has it been so easy to search for handwriting, annotations, and typed text all within seconds. Finally, annotated PDFs can be exported and shared via any third-party app, or published for public or private viewing directly within Nebo. The benefits of PDF annotation within Nebo are endless, allowing for enhanced collaboration, professional note-taking, and improved study. When you need to locate particular content, Nebo lets you search for words or phrases across all your notebooks, whether in handwriting, converted, or typed text, and the search works brilliantly in 66 languages. A free MyScript account also allows integration with key third-party cloud storage services, iCloud, Dropbox, and Google Drive. A simple one-click sync keeps files aligned and up-to-date, and notebooks can also be manually backed up for added peace of mind. If you need to restore a notebook, simply open it in Nebo. Collaboration is at the heart of modern working, so it's also a priority for Nebo. You can export notes in plain text, PDF, DocX, or HTML formats, and share them with anybody, anywhere. Content can also be effortlessly copy-pasted into a variety of other apps, or shared via AirDrop if you're using Apple devices. Another way to share your notes is using Nebo's Publish tool. This uploads your page to Nebo's secure cloud storage and provides a unique link where contacts can view the content. Published notes can be reverted to private at any time, and you can preview them in a web browser before sharing. Anyone receiving a link to a published note can view it on any internet-connected device, even if they don't have a MyScript account. And if they are a Nebo user, even better, they can download your note, edit, and reshare it. Mac, PC, and Linux users can view published content from any major web browser, and published notes are responsive, so they're easy to view on phones, including iPhone and Android devices. As you can see, Nebo isn't like any other note-taking apps. Its emphasis on productivity and collaboration ensures it's the best choice for professionals seeking to win back time from their workflow, while still benefiting from the immediacy and expressiveness of handwritten, hand-drawn content.